Knock sensor off in Toyota 4runner. Very dirty, really hard to get out. The bolt was, if you can see it, the only way you can take it out was taking the carburetor. Take this one off, pull it to the side, take the wire off so you don't pull it. Take the two nuts, this hose that connects to the PVM, the top hose that connects to this, and the two bolts. And then this wire, be very careful. I yanked it out. So here's the wire. So I'm gonna tell you the diagnose. It's not your regulator if your car's rough to start. But if it accelerates like crazy and it doesn't stop, it's your camshaft. You can put your computer. But if it accelerates, not your regulator. I'm doing this video because people, I was confused with the regulator. I was changing it a lot. And the car would start, but then it will give me problems. So it's your camshaft. I'm gonna turn it on once I'm finished doing it and reset the codes. Got this in advanced auto parts, the part number. Okay. And there you have it. Also, this thing broke, it was toasted. Here's the part number for the pigtail. And that's for that. That goes on this. So what I did, I got the tool. I took the wires off. Right, you can see the wires in here. And I put the original ones back. It's for the pigtail. It broke. Here's the new one. I used the tool, took the wires off, put the original ones. I'm gonna do a quick video. And here's the gasket number for this. I believe the only way to take this out is I'll do all this because the bolts is in the angle. You don't want to lose it. I forgot to mention, anything you do with sensors, disconnect the batteries. So we're gonna do the test. I'm gonna positive first and then negative to avoid any fires. Raise the code. And then when I turn the car on. This is the one that I use. Pretty basic too. It's accelerating. That's because it's cold. I hope it gets fixed. But that's how you change it. Alright, hope this video helped. When the car is super accelerated, when it goes like 3 or 4, that's your camshaft sensor. But always scan it, but so you don't confuse the regulator. Alright man, hope this helped.